Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today I found this on the side of the road and we're gonna see if we can save it. So follow along, hit that subscribe button, and let's see what we can do to this piece. Alright, so this piece is in pretty bad shape. We're missing handles, we got multiple styles. It's gonna be a lot of work. Inside, the hinges are still there. Missing the back, so we'll have to build something there. We'll remove all the hardware, we'll fill the holes, and we'll go from there. We'll see what we can do to this piece. So first, remove the hardware, get these drawers off. We'll get it into working order. We'll build some backs, sand it, paint it, scuff it, and see what it looks like at the end. So, let's get started. Alright, let's get caught up on what we've done so far. Is we've pulled all this stuff apart, we made sure everything's nice and tight again. All the tracks are tight. This piece is pretty rough, but it's salvageable, so that's the great thing. So what we've done is we've measured the end boxes here, and we've created these little panels that are going to go on the back side here. As such, so we'll have a full piece in there that'll be fine, and we'll probably do a nice little pattern on the back here just to give it a cool little pop to it, give it some flavor here. So next, let's sand this whole piece down. 80 grit sandpaper. We'll do as much as we can with the DeWalt sander, and then from there we'll hand sand everything else. It's not gonna be fun. Alright, we've sanded it down, vacuumed it out, wiped it down, and well, that piece is starting to look a lot better. And I'm excited about that because it wasn't looking too well at the beginning. So today, we're going to use our Behr Prime and Paint. Blackout is the color. We're going to use this cool old brush I got. It's going to help get into those ridges on those drawers or those doors really well. So everything's going to get 2 coats. We'll spend about the next hour and a half painting. Let's begin. Alright, we got it painted twice. We're going to scuff it up a little bit. Old 80 grit sandpaper. This is a step that you definitely could skip if you wanted to leave that solid look. And with this piece, we're going to give it a little scuff, give it a little more character to go with all the imperfections in this piece. So let's get started. Just the edge work, just little scuffs here and there, and we'll have this project ready to be waxed. Alright, we're almost there. Got my finishing wax here. I'm gonna put it on. Got an old sock here. Wipe it on, wipe it off, and then next time you see this piece, well, we'll have the handles on it and we'll have it finalized. Alright, here it is completed. Quite the transformation from what it was to start with. Blackout is the color, Behr Prime paint. We canvassed the backs of these to give it a little bit of an accent. And overall, pretty good piece now. If you like this piece and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, leave us a comment and a thumbs up.